Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated steps on how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the 3 lines at the top left of the page. This will open the main menu. Step 3. Within the menu, locate the settings icon at the top right corner and give it a tap. Step 4. Tap on Privacy and Safety from the Settings menu. This will take you to the Privacy and Safety options. Step 5. Now, select Restricted Account from the list of options. This is where you can manage restricted accounts. Step 6. Tap on the account you want to unrestrict. This will open the account settings. Step 7. Finally, tap on Unrestrict to remove the restrictions on the selected account. By unrestricting someone on Messenger, you allow them to interact with you freely and access all the features of the app. And there you have it. You've successfully unrestricted someone on Messenger. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy messaging.